Okay, these are my dogs. This is Mara, Aki. Do you like Dad? Okay. This is Tiana. There you go. You want it? Yeah, there you go. So, Amara, first for this introductory video, Mara is a black lab slash husky. And she is a black lab slash some other dog we don't know of. So first, because you clicked on this video, it's called Dog Going Crazy for a Laser. This is a laser. It's a laser. As you can see the laser. Mara, watch this! When Mara's finished. Okay, so they're gonna go over there for the laser. Mara can see it. And first, let's just make him go a little crazy. So hopefully the camera's picking this up. I can see it on the screen here, but I don't know if you can see it. I'm using my iPod Touch 4th generation, if you're wondering. Okay, so you can see the laser down there. They don't know they're getting recorded, but they're about to. You're gonna see something hilarious. Ready? Get them wound up and go for the laser. Go for the laser. Go, get it. Come on, Mar. Who can get the highest? Go over there. Eat the laser. Sit. Okay, jump instead. So right there. It's right there now. It's over there. It's over there. What's it doing over there? It's over here now. Look. Dun 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 dun. Come on, Dion, get it. Get it. You humped the wall. You like that wall. Where'd it go? Okay, that's it. You can have the laser. Go get it. Go get it. And that's a dog wanting the laser. It's not there anymore, Tiana. Where'd it go? You're confused. But you're so happy.